Hilux is a brand standard developed by Daniel Johns to satisfy a marketplace for better quality residential property.
We inherited the scheme with a good solid planning permission, and we've been taking that on in terms of developing its technical detail over the last few months, and we're getting close to a position now whereby that's ready to go out to tender.
The biggest obstacle is the existing facade and the demolition of the building behind, and we are working together with an engineer to come up with a structural steel support on the outside of the building to retain the facade, and then we can demolish the building on the inside.
The site at the moment has been partially demolished. The existing basement has been filled in with demolition material, and the front of the building, which has the historic facade, is fully intact.
It's quite a complex building in terms of its nature and the structure of how it's put together. So we've had to be quite creative in how we think about dealing with that, such that we can take the bulk of the building away, leaving the external facade in position, and doing so in such a way that we'll still have plenty of freedom and flexibility to develop the new building behind that existing facade. We've been having to wrestle with some quite difficult challenges along the way, use our imagination to solve some problems and really work as a team, as is often the case with complex projects of this nature. But I'm pleased to say we're nearing the end of that process now and hoping to bring the contractor on board. In parallel to that, we've got the substructure contractors who are currently working through a tender process, and so hopefully we shall also start to see some major action on site from them quite soon in the new year. This is certainly one of the most exciting and challenging projects that we've worked on. It's local to us as a practice. As well as delivering a fantastic product in itself, it's also going to have a very positive impact in terms of reusing a building that at the moment is going to waste, and we feel very positive about being involved in that kind of process. It's a privilege really, and there are a lot of challenges to face on these jobs, but we roll our sleeves up, we get stuck into them, and we enjoy the process. We like to rise to the challenge and deliver a great result.